If you want to quickly check your affiliate performance on Whop, this tutorial is going to walk you through it step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your total earnings, how many users you've referred, and how to check the stats for each individual referral program you're promoting. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Whop tutorials and creator tips. Alright, let's jump into it. First, sign in to whop.com and make sure you're on your home feed. Once you're inside the main dashboard, look at the lower left-hand corner of the sidebar. Under the Resources section, you'll see an option called Affiliates. Click that to open your affiliate dashboard. As soon as the dashboard loads, you'll see a Stats section overview. This is where Whop gives you your main affiliate performance data at a glance. At the top of this area, you'll find your high-level metrics, including your total earnings, which shows the total amount of money you've generated from successful referrals so far. You'll also see Referred Users, which tells you exactly how many people clicked through your links and signed up or made a purchase. This summary view is perfect if you just want a quick snapshot of how your affiliate campaigns are doing overall. It helps you track whether your links are converting and whether your promotions are actually bringing in results. If you're running multiple campaigns, this is the first place you should check. Now, if you want to go deeper and see stats for a specific product you're actively promoting, look at the top of the dashboard and click the Refer Buyers tab. This section is especially useful when you're working with more than one affiliate offer, because it lets you drill down into each individual referral program. From there, locate the specific product from your active list. Once you find it, click View Assets. Inside the Assets window, you'll be able to see the performance data tied to that specific affiliate link. That includes details like clicks, conversion rates, and other individual metrics that help you understand how that one offer is performing. This is really useful if you want to compare different offers and figure out which one is bringing in the best results. For example, if one product has lots of clicks but low conversions, that may tell you that your traffic is interested, but the offer or landing page needs improvement. On the other hand, if a link has fewer clicks but a strong conversion rate, that could be a sign that the audience match is really good. So to recap, if you want your overall affiliate stats, go to Affiliates from the Resources section in the sidebar. If you want product-specific data, go to Refer Buyers and then click View Assets for the offer you want to analyze. That's the fastest way to find your affiliate stats on Whop and start making smarter decisions with your promotions. If this guide helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.